let me show you how I put my name on the mandala. So down here, I'm going to zoom in. I have my name down here, and it's actually on a curved path. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. What's important when you do this is after you actually create the artwork, the artwork needs to be on its own layer. The name needs to be on its own name layer. And what we're going to do is we're gonna actually select that object. We're going to select that object, and we're going to expand it so that it's not a font. So what happens is that if you use a special font, then when you give me the file and I don't have the font, your name won't be in that font. But if we expand it, then it's not a font, it's just some strokes and stuff. So let me demonstrate how to do this. So I'm gonna delete this layer and recreate it so that you can see how I did it. All right, so I'm gonna delete that layer, yes. So I'm gonna create a new layer, and I'm gonna name it name, like so. Now zoom in to where you want it to be. It doesn't have to be on the bottom. It could be anywhere you want, in the artwork, to the side, what the point is, somewhere, right? So I'm going to use the pen tool for this one. And I'm going to take my pen tool, and I'm going to create a line with some curve to it. Like that. Now I don't want any fill, but I do want a stroke. So a stroke. Doesn't even matter what color, because the stroke's going to be gone. And the fill, no fill. So there it is. And I'm going to, maybe if I want to make it bigger, I'm going to make it bigger and then rotate it like this. Something like that. So my name is going to be on that. Kind of centered on this radial spike. All right, so now I'm going to get my text tool. Type on a path tool. So choose type on path tool. Hover over the path. Hover over the path. You should have that little red on your cursor. Click. It's going to give you fake text. So now type your name. Select it, Command A, and then adjust it. So the path, the name is on the curvature path. The path disappears, but the name's on the path. Then you can adjust the font size and so on, and also the font. Choose a font, make sure it's black. Okay, so once you've done that, again, if you give this to me now and I don't have this special font that you used, I won't be able to print it with that special font. It'll just be this block text. So what we need to do is to expand this. So we're going to select our text, and we're going to then go edit, object, expand. So we're going to expand it as an object and fill and hit OK. So there it is. So what happens is now these are actual strokes, as if somebody drew this like you drew the artwork. It's no longer a font. So if I select it, you can see that it's not a text. All right. So now when you save the file and you give it to me, your text will look exactly like this. There won't be any special font issues, and you don't have to give me any special fonts in order for me to print it correctly. All right. So there you go. That's how you create that. Make sure you have your name layer exactly like this, and you can see all the. So look, it created all the letters as individual paths, like this. Okay. There you go. That's how you create your name with special fonts.